Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shale Creek Farm. It's Saturday and it's a beautiful day out. We are heading out to look after the animals. We'll take you on a little tour. We have lots to do today. We have to clean out the brooder hut, the turkey hut. We have chickens to rotate as we have turkeys coming Wednesday, white ones, and our wild turkeys are due in next week, 13th. This is our brooder hut. As you can see, we all the babies in here. We have these guys. These are our baby layers and roosters. They are saying good morning. Babies. Hi. Yes. These are in here. We have our next round of meat kings. They are getting moved to the brooder today. Oh, he's finding a voice. Yes, you are. We have to make room for the new group coming in. Are you trying to crawl there, butts? Yeah. You gonna talk to us? These guys here, down here, we have a brooder down here. These guys are getting moved to a bigger hut. They want room to fly, so we're moving them today. Say hi, guys. There you go. And these guys are looking for bigger spaces. You're getting a little crow on you. So we are moving to open the layers. These guys are gonna get hot soon, so we're gonna open the doors for them and let some sunshine in and some light in and some heat out because it's gonna get hot in here. Now I'm gonna head this way and show you the rest of the farm. Beautiful Saturday out, already warm. It's supposed to get to about 26 this afternoon, 30 with the humidex. We are passing the garden. I'll kind of show you the garden. It's it there. The hothouse is new this summer. You can take a tour of that after. And see how that goes. This was our processing station from yesterday. This is our biggin, is what we call it. It's just a storage company. It has a wood stove in it. There's Duke and Coda, our two labs running around. We know that they know the morning routine. So we're heading to our layer. Hi guys, good morning. They are ready to start the day. We don't let them out yet. Typically we let them out around 10 o'clock, but we do have to go in and open the windows because it's getting hot. And we usually shut them up at night, but they do get to typically roam around during the day. So we're just going to go in and have a look and see what's going on in here. There we go. Hi guys. There we go. So those are our two babies. You can see our two babies. They are a rooster and a hen. They are about 10 to 12 weeks old. Our other layers are getting warm in here. I'm going to open the windows just to give them some air. They want to be outside, but not quite time for them to go out yet. Hi guys, we have a few in our box, you can see. These are our lay-in boxes, and there are a few eggs in there already. Hi girls, you're on camera. There we go. Hi, baby girl. A few girls in our box. They, as you can see, don't like anybody in their coop. So I'm going to go back out and leave them for a couple hours. We'll come back in and let them out in a little bit for them to run around the yard, because they absolutely love running around the yard. This is our brooder hut. This is where we will be cleaning up today, because the new 40 Meat Kings will be moving in here. So we're just going to open it up and let it air out so that we can not suffocate in here today. And then this one here, this is our multi-purpose. We call it the turkey hut. The turkeys will eventually be in here, but for right now the baby chickens are being moved in here. They were actually already purchased from a couple in Ontario moving to New Brunswick, and we're just looking after them for them, which is fine. And we'll open this one up because it's getting warm. So that's going to be our day today. We have a little bit of dew on the ground, but it's getting definitely warm, so we'll be starting our day soon with feeding, watering, and moving everyone. So we will update you this evening when we have everybody moved.